Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to build a complete WordPress website from scratch using Divi by Elegant Themes. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional website that's easy to manage, customize, and grow. You don't need to know how to code. Just follow each step carefully. There's a link in the description where you can try Divi from Elegant Themes for a great price. To build a website using WordPress, the first essential step is to acquire both a domain name and a web hosting plan. The domain name serves as your website's unique address on the internet, such as example.com, making it easy for visitors to find and access your site. On the other hand, web hosting is the service that stores all your website's files, data, and content on a server, allowing your site to be accessible online 24/7. There are several reputable providers that offer both domain registration and hosting services in one package, including companies like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. When you sign up for a hosting plan, you'll be prompted to either register a brand new domain or connect an existing one you already own. Most hosting companies streamline this process to make it as user-friendly as possible. Once you've completed the sign-up and payment process, you'll gain access to your hosting dashboard, often called cPanel or a custom control panel. From there, many hosts offer a convenient one-click WordPress installation tool. This feature automates the process of setting up WordPress on your hosting account without requiring any technical knowledge. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, the first step is to clean up the default content and streamline your setup. Start by deleting the sample post titled Hello World, the sample page titled Sample Page, and any other pre-installed content. To do this, navigate to Posts All Posts and Pages. All pages then move any default items to the trash. Next, go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and review the list. WordPress often comes with a few plugins pre-installed, such as Hello Dolly or Jetpack, that you might not need. Deactivate and delete any plugins that are unnecessary for your project to keep your site lightweight and organized. Now that your site is tidy, it's time to install a theme that controls the overall look and feel of your website. For this tutorial, you'll be using Divi, a powerful and user-friendly theme developed by Elegant Themes. Divi includes a visual drag-and-drop builder that allows you to create custom page layouts and designs without writing any code, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. To get started, go and purchase a membership if you haven't already. Once you've completed your purchase, log into your Elegant Themes account and download the Divi Themes zip file to your computer. Next, return to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance Themes, then click the Add New button at the top. On the next screen, select Upload Theme, click Choose File, and upload the Divi zip file you just downloaded. After the upload is complete, click Install Now and then activate the theme once the installation finishes. At this point, Divi is now active on your site, and you're ready to begin customizing your website's design using its built-in visual builder and pre-designed layout packs. With Divi active, begin creating your pages. Start with a home page by going to Pages and adding a new one titled Home. Use the Divi Builder and choose the option to use a pre-made layout. Divi offers many layout packs, which are pre-designed pages you can load in one click. After choosing a design you like, apply it to your page and publish. Repeat the process to create pages like About, Services, and Contact using matching layouts from the same pack to keep your design consistent. To make sure visitors see your homepage first, go to the Settings menu, then Reading, and change the homepage setting from the blog to a static page. Select your homepage from the list. Next, you need to create a navigation menu. Go to Appearance, then Menus, and create a new one. Add the pages you've just created and arrange them in the order you want. Then, set this as the primary menu so it appears on your website. Now that your basic website structure is set up and the Divi theme is installed and activated, you're ready to start designing your pages. Divi makes this process intuitive through its visual builder, which allows you to edit your site in a completely front-end visual way. No coding required. To begin editing a page, navigate to that page from your WordPress dashboard or directly on your live site while logged in. At the top of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Enable Visual Builder. Click this button to launch the Divi Builder interface. Once the Visual Builder is active, your page will reload into an interactive editing mode. You can now click directly on any element on the page, whether it's text, an image, a heading, or a button, and make changes right on the screen. Simply click into a text box to rewrite or format text, or click on an image to replace it with one from your media library or upload a new one. The Divi Builder also allows you to drag and drop sections, rows, and modules to rearrange the layout of your page with ease. To add new content elements, hover your cursor over the area where you want to insert something, then click the plus icon. This opens a list of modules you can add, such as buttons, image galleries, contact forms, sliders, testimonials, icons, videos, and much more. Everything you do in the Visual Builder is fully live and visual, meaning you see your changes in real time as you make them. This makes it easy to experiment with different layouts, colors, fonts, and content without needing to preview or switch between different screens. Divi also offers pre-designed layout packs you can import to build pages even faster, and it includes extensive customization settings for styling each element. With a bit of time exploring the builder, you'll be able to create a polished, professional-looking website tailored to your needs. To make global style changes, go to the Theme Customizer under the Divi section in the dashboard. Here, you can upload your logo, change the default color palette, and set your font styles. These changes will be applied across the entire site for a consistent look. If you have a small icon for your brand, you can also upload it as a favicon so it shows in browser tabs. You should also check how your website looks on different devices. While using the Divi Visual Builder, use the screen preview icons at the bottom to switch between desktop, tablet, and phone views. Adjust any sections that don't look quite right on smaller screens. For added functionality, you can install a few useful plugins. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. For example, install Yoast SEO to improve your visibility on Google, WP Forms if you need more flexible contact forms, and Smush to optimize your images for faster load times. Updraft Plus is helpful to schedule regular backups of your site. These plugins are free and can be installed from the Plugins menu by clicking Add New and searching by name. To make your site more secure and faster, make sure an SSL certificate is active so your site uses HTTPS. Most hosting providers give this for free. You should also enable caching, which may already be available through your host. If not, install a caching plugin like W3 Total Cache to help speed up your site. After all this, your website is ready. You have your own domain, WordPress installed, the Divi theme activated, custom pages set up using pre-made layouts, and content edited with the Visual Builder. You've customized your global settings, added a working menu, installed helpful plugins, and made your site secure and mobile-friendly. From here, you can keep building by adding blog posts, connecting an email newsletter, or even setting up an online store using WooCommerce. Divi gives you a lot of flexibility without needing to write any code. If you want to explore more layout packs or advanced modules, you can browse the full library inside the Divi Builder. There's a link in the description where you can try Divi from Elegant Themes for a great price.